Hey everyone, it's week 11, and this week we're going to Subitize tally marks. So, last week we introduced the tallies. This week is very similar to Subitizing with the 10 frames and single number racks. And so, it starts with just Subitizing and writing how many you see, and then it builds onto equations. So, Monday we'll play a game that they're already familiar with. Let's see if I can make it click. There we go. Let's play a game. I'll show you a card fast. You write its name. So you'll click, you'll show the card, you'll make it go away. You'll give students a prompt to write it. You'll show it again so that they can confirm or revise. And then you'll show them how to write it. And then you can ask, how did you know? And this is a great point since this is 5 to make sure they understand that the slash across is the fifth tally. So that's what happens on Monday. On Tuesday through Friday, we will introduce the optional equations. So you'll show the card, make it go away, prompt students to write how many, show them again how many. There are 6. Then say, challenge, how do you know? Let's write an equation. 6 is the same as, let's see what parts make up 6. We have the tally set of 5, and adding one more equals 6. 6 equals 5 plus 1. So you'll do that for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Friday, it's a little different. So they've been listening to this Count by 5 song since last week when we introduced tallies. That was intentional. And so after you do sort of the introduction stuff, we have a Friday challenge, groups of tallies. So we're going to start by having them draw one group of 5 tallies. So one group of 5 tallies is 5 tally marks. And I did not do a good job of modeling, but you can show how to count along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth one slashes over. So have students draw the tallies. How many? Let's count by 5s. 5. We know there's 5. All right, we'll reset our boards. Draw 4 groups of tallies. So we'll prompt them to draw with us. So 1 set of tallies, 2 set of tallies, 3, 4. How many? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So you get the gist. It's all about taking that knowledge and connecting it to the visual element um, so that we can use 5 as a really friendly number to understand larger numbers. Let me know if you have any questions.